The Cricut Explore Air 2 is one of the most popular and trending items in the arts and crafts section of 2021. It's one of the most affordable ways to get yourself into the sticker creating game, and it's not gonna break the bank. Coming in at only $150, I was able to pick up this awesome Cricut Explore Air 2 at my nearest Michael's craft store on sale. Usually priced at around $227, they had it listed for $150, and when I saw that price of $150, I knew I had to snag it, regardless if this was going to be a financially smart decision or not. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this thing, and while you're at it, give the video a like if you end up liking it, and don't forget to subscribe down below today for more videos just like this, and go ahead and check out the channel if you could please. I am new to YouTube and I'm trying to grow, and I really appreciate you watching this video. Let's get into it. Cricut Explore Air 2 Smart Cutting Machine, up to 2 times faster cutting and writing. The DIY speed machine cuts over 100 materials quickly, beautifully, so you can create stunning projects in record time. It includes the machine, premium fine point blade and housing, fine point pen, light grip mat, welcome book, quick start guide, USB cable, power adapter, free trial membership to Cricut Access for new subscribers. That's pretty cool. 50 ready to make projects online, materials for practice project, warranty documents. Features include fast mode, up to 2 times faster, cut smart technology, Bluetooth wireless technology, free design apps for iOS, Android computer, thousands of product ideas, what you need, your USB connection. It's pretty cool. Opens up like that. Got a little storage compartment.
Got a tool holder.
Alright, let's open this thing up. Marley. Alright. That was me hawing. Ah. Okay. Little mat action going on right here. Keep it looking new, reuse this bag. I think I can do that. It's a nice looking machine, that's for sure. I really wanted the mint colored one, so I like the retro looking stuff, but this one ain't half bad. I like the color. It's not too bad. Got the pen in here. Power cable, USB. Yes, sir. Let's get started. Is this a DVD? Oh, no, it's not. Cool. Number 1, unleash this beauty. Plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. Shoot, okay. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Is it supposed to open up this slow? It's very suspenseful, I must say. Bro, look at this. Grand opening, wow. Okay. A little cubby right there. A little cubby right here. This looks like it would be kind of flimsy, but it seems pretty well constructed, honestly. Those 2 hinges right there. Got 3 right here, that's nice. Alright, let's power it up. Whoa.
Alright. Step 1 completed.
Step 2. It wants me to go online. Alright, so I just filled out my information. I created an account, and now this is the next page. Select the product type to continue. See, it says Cricut Explore Air 2. That's weird, it's labeled wrong right here, but that's the one I want. Clear 10 inches of space behind. Yep, done, plugged it in. Please check that the machine is connected and powered on. If it is, turn off your machine. Wait a moment. Alright. Alright, so I lost my page where I was at. So I guess I missed out on the little project. Oh, new product setup. Here we go. Okay, cool. Cool, okay. It recognizes it. Alright, let's go. Sweet. Awesome. Alright. Updating. Needs to update? Sure thing. Great. Your family's up to date. Alright. Register your machine. Yep. Yep, looks great. Start your free trial for 30 days. Cancel anytime. I'm gonna skip it for now. Let's do the mountains. Cardstock, it's already there. Turn the dial at cardstock, alright. Place a small cardstock on top left. Guessing that's this. Or wait, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. MJ! Hi, MJ! Confirm the blade is set in clamp B, which it is. Okay. Push mat up under guide. Press the flash. Cut in progress. It's pretty sweet. Wow. Unload. Well, I made a mountain on some paper. That's pretty sweet.